Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to study about the types of land from the chapter 14, Our Earth. Before starting today's topic, let us revise what we had studied in the previous videos. We had learned about the earth, that our earth has two parts, that is land and water. And the 2/3 part is covered with the water. That is why it is called, or our earth is called, the blue planet also. This is the third planet in the solar system. On the land part, we all human beings, animals live. But there are different types of land. Some lands are flat, comfortable area, that is called plains. But some lands are higher than the plains, that is called hills. And they are cooler than the plains. Then some parts are more higher than the hills. They are called mountains. And mountains are also cooler areas from the plains. Then we have studied about the valley. What is valley, children? Valley is the land. Valley is the part between the two hills or mountains. दो माउंटेन और हिल्स के बीच के नीचे के पार्ट को हम वैली कहते हैं. So these are the part of the land. There is one more part of the land, that is called desert. So today we will study about desert and about other topics also. The land that is covered with sand is called desert. It is very hot during the daytime and cold at night. The camel is called the ship of the desert. The land which is covered with the sand, that is called desert. वो एरिया, वो जमीन का भाग जो कि ज्यादातर बालू से, as you can see in this picture, this whole part is covered with the plenty of sand, जो पूरे बालू से भरा हुआ होता है. ज्यादातर एरियाज में बालू भरे होते हैं, वो डेजर्ट और रेगिस्तान कहलाते हैं. और ये एरिया कैसे होते हैं? These are not comfortable area. So many people do not live here. या ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल एरिया नहीं है लाइक प्लेन्स. तो यहाँ पे ज्यादा लोग नहीं रहते हैं, कम लोग रहते हैं. एंड द वेदर इज वेरी हॉट ड्यूरिंग द डे. दिन के समय बहुत गर्म होता है और रात के समय ठंडा होता है. द वेदर इज वेरी हॉट ड्यूरिंग द डे and cold during the night. And you all know we have studied about the ship of the desert in the last chapter. हम लोग ने पढ़ा था ship of the desert. Who is the ship of desert? Camel. Because camel is the only animal which can walk easily on the sand. So it is called the ship of the डेजर्ट. कैमल ही एक ऐसा जानवर है जो आसानी से वहां रेगिस्तान में बालू पे चल सकता है, उतनी गर्म बालू पे, इसीलिए उसको शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट कहते हैं. देन वाटर. वाटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑन आवर अर्थ. एज यू नो दैट आवर अर्थ इज कवर्ड विथ 2/3 पार्ट ऑफ द वाटर. Water on the earth is found in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. these water which is covered the most of the part of the earth it is found in the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. ये पानी जो कि हमारी पृथ्वी पे है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी पृथ्वी ब्लू कलर की दिखाई देती, इतना पानी, ये सब पानी हमारे ओशियन रिवर्स में पाया जाता है. Then air surrounds the earth. We breathe in air to stay alive. एयर जो है वो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के हमारे अर्थ के चारों तरफ रहती है. एटमॉस्फेयर कहलाता है, उसमें एयर रहती है और जिसकी वजह से हम सांस ले सकते हैं. वी ब्रीथ एयर, हम लोग सांस लेते हैं जिंदा रहने के लिए. ओके, दीज आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द लैंड, प्लेन्स, हिल, mountains, valley and desert. And this two part is also important for our earth. Now I am going to show you video so that you can understand better about the desert and other topics.
Water. We all know that large part of the earth is filled with water. We need water to live, so it is very essential for our existence. The water in ocean and seas is salty, while rivers and lakes consist of fresh water. Water is also stored as snow and ice. It is also present under the ground. Desert. Desert, as we all know, is a dry land which is covered with sand. There is a scarcity of water in the desert area because of lack of rain. Very few plants are grown and animals like camel live in the desert. So how can camel survive the desert temperature? It is because of its thick coat of the body and due to its nature to live without water for days together. Existence of human is very less in the desert land.